Hi all, it's Tom again, coming back to you with another PoE unboxing video. Today we're going to be looking at the BV PoE switch SW802-DIN. I'm going to walk you through some of the features of the switch and what makes it special. Let's get right down to opening up the box. All right, so let's open up this box here. Let's see, like all the other BV PoE switches, everything's nice and safe and secure in here, all cut right into the foam. You get your power adapter, just like always, wall power adapter, standard 3-prong. You get your other power adapter here. You can see that it's CE and UL listed, so you know that everything there is safe. There. And then you get the actual PoE switch. One thing that stands out about this switch right off the bat is that it is a lot heavier than you'd expect it to be. It's off this hardened metal, good for industrial usage, high temperatures, no problem. We've got here on the front, you can see 8 ports here around in orange. These are your standard PoE ports. Each one is actually PoE Plus, 30 watts. And then in green, we've got our uplink ports here. You'll notice that there's 2. The standard RJ45 that you're probably used to. And this smaller one here, this is SFP, your fiber network uplink. So if you have a fiber network, this is already set, no need for adapters. On this side, we've got our power input. We've got a ground. We've actually got a secondary power input with this Phoenix connector. If you don't use this one, you can pull this right off. It just pops out of place and you can put it in the box or get rid of it somewhere and wind it in a junk drawer. On the back here, this is another part that makes this switch very special is this DIN adapter. This will allow us to mount it easily onto the wall, and I'll show you how that works. All right guys, so I'm just gonna show you what this DIN rail adapter is for. I'm just gonna need a couple of things. First, screwdriver, level, a couple of screws, and this box of DIN rails. We picked this up on Amazon, it's pretty cheap. Got a whole box of them here. You can see it's just a little basic plate. We're gonna attach this to the wall and be able to add our PoE switch right on it. So to show you how easy this works and how neat and clean it can make a bigger installation, I actually brought 7 more PoE switches. So let's get these 8 PoE switches up on the wall. So as you can see, that installs nice and neat in a matter of minutes with very little tools. You can have all your PoE switches up on the wall. Again, this is Tom, and if you like what you saw, you can click up here to subscribe. And if you want to see some more videos, check some of these out over here. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.